Principal of this college, sorry, trustee management of this college, uh, Dr. Sunil Jadhav sir, Principal Dr. Sunil Chauhan sir, various staff members, Indira College management team here, sitting here, our company All India Service Manager Mr. Tanaji Pawar, our HR head Supriya, and friends. Good morning to everybody. This 3 days event is about the enlightenment of Tech Fest, Technical Festival. So this, what is the meaning of enlightenment? Enlightenment means knowledge, means knowledge means jnani. And second level of the knowledge is intelligent man, म्हणजे बुद्धिमान in Marathi. So he knows how to implement that knowledge. And higher level than that is intellectuals. Intellectuals in Marathi we can say buddhi pramanyavadi. So he thinks differently and critically, and he thinks in out of box thinking, and he has a visionary views. So what we expect that each of you should reach the stage of intellectuals. So this is then when we finish your educational career, then when you enter the industrial world, how you will get the success and what are the key points. There are so many things written in the books or in the website and regarding hard skills, soft skills, that you know, there is a list of what is to be done. But from my experience point of view in this industry, I will share some of my points with you. And listen carefully. If you implement these points, you will be successful. First thing is that there is a feedback system, we call it. Feedback system means that if somebody has assigned you some work, then that cycle should be closed and feedback shall be given to the person who has given you the assignment. So there could be 3 types of feedback systems. One is not done, second is half done, and third is completely done. To illustrate this example, I would rather say one example that suppose one engineer is given assignment that go to this Delhi site and there is a problem of vibration there, you resolve it and come back. Then that engineer will give feedback, that not done feedback. He will send a message or he will give the feedback that I was busy in this Haridwar site on urgent basis, I have completed that and I could not do that assignment of Delhi site. So tomorrow I am moving there. So this is the first type of feedback that is not done. Then intermediate feedback means that you have done halfway. He has tried 2 days there, tried to solve the problem technically by doing so many things, checking the alignment, checking the coupling alignment and vibration, this, that, but he could not solve it. Then he should give feedback that, sir, I have done this, and I will be trying these 3 points, and by Monday I will give you feedback of action problems resolved. This is called half done. And third is the fully done. Suppose he has understood the vibration and customer is satisfied, then he will give feedback to his boss who is sitting somewhere in the Mumbai or somewhere that this problem has been resolved. So in spite of your hard work there, night and day, if you do not give the feedback, the person who has given you assignment, he will feel that he is not doing anything. And because A person has given assignment to B, B has not given feedback to A, C is the customer, he will call A, what happened? Then he will not be aware of anything. And there is MD sitting above C. So whole system will be distorted. So keep in mind that feedback system is very, very, very important, and this is useful not only in industrial field but also in your family and also in your social life also. So giving a feedback is a good system. Second thing is that sense of urgency. Generally, we should be in the mode of the fast forward mode, not in slow motion mode, because time is precious. So each time, each minute, we should utilize properly of our life. And if anything is assignment is given, there should be sense of urgency always in your blood culture, blood color culture, that I want to finish it. You should be unrest till you don't complete that job or that work, whatever you decide. So sense of urgency is very, very important, because most of the time, suppose some engineer joins some industry, there is no workload, and there is a slight coming and going and coming and going and not doing much work. So gradually that slow motion culture is built into his personality, which is very, very dangerous in the future his life. So irrespective of the job given to you, you always think that what can be done, how to utilize my time in a different way. Third thing is that this high initiative, this routine work is everybody doing, but we want to be different than a common person. So always think differently how to do the initiative. One of the example I would tell, while in working in some company, I had started initiative that industry institute interactions. Management has not told me that you do this, do that. I started my initiative, industry and institute interaction. So we used to do assignment, dissertation project to MTech, ME students, PE students. They used to come to us. We used to guide them, and it was a mutual benefit for us. For one of the project which we done, we got opportunity to present our technical paper in the Purdue University in USA on technical vibration of the compressor. So whenever we do good things, then it is for the beneficial for both of us. Then, as Jadhav sir has rightly said, creativity is very, very important, and knowledge updation. You have to keep your knowledge updated, always updated. Telling that only proudly telling that I use Instagram is not sufficient. Have you used ChatGPT and like that, artificial intelligence and all that. In our company also, we have done a lot of things. That there is a IoT control station from where we monitor all the units working in all over India by the remote control, manless operation. So we are ahead. Sir has already told, somebody has told that what is in future we have to write today. That story we have to write today. That is very good dialogue. That is a good dialogue. So because as product gets absolute, man also will get absolute if you don't update your knowledge. And I always quote many times that knowledge is money. So knowledge is money. You keep in your mind that knowledge is money. Then you should become a trendsetter and not the follower. So think always that I will set some trend, and then everybody will follow that. Keep in mind that you can review your career, what I have done differently, different initiatives you have taken, and all that. Then, sorry for the lecture. Updesh jara जास्त होते का? So, perfection. There is a difference in foreign people and Indian people. They are very perfectly doing the things. What we do, even for the small things like xeroxing, we put a paper like this in an inclined manner, staple somewhere here, and go to boss and give it. But those people, they will throw it that paper. They will keep properly paper, xeroxing, staple at particular place. So there are small things. This is small thing to only tell you the example, but perfection, you know that American is famous for perfectionist. So you see his pictures. So you should try always for the perfection. Lastly, I would say that I will advise one thing for all students, that your educational career, academic career is very, very important. Some people are there, I know, they are social conscious. Suppose there is some injustice going in the society, they feel uncomfortable, and they get involved into that problem solving mode. They want to get involved in that, and they get involved into social activity. some people are having leadership qualities. They want to go the means develop into, they have ambitions of leaders, so they sometimes enter into a political mode. Some people are doing extracurricular activity. Okay, but what I feel that your foundation is important, which should be strong, which is academic and educational biodata, which is permanent for your lifelong. So focus on your studies, and you can give only 10% time for your other social activity, political activity, or extracurricular activity. But your one example I will tell that Yashwantara Chavan was studying in Ferguson College, Pune, second or third year of BA, Bachelor of Arts. And there was a strong movement of Mahatma Gandhi of the freedom fighting, Chale Jao Chalo. So everybody, his colleague has left the college and entered into that movement. But he thought that let me complete my education first. Let me make my foundation perfect. He waited for 1 year. He completed his bachelor, and then he fully got involved into the freedom movement. So this is the one good example. So you don't get emotionally attached to some of the problems and try to resolve that and direct your focus on the study. So that is my advice to you. And this lecture, one of the story I wanted to tell and finish this speech about the Telsa. You know, Elon Musk is a topmost rich person, and his company name is Telsa. So who was the Telsa? We know that. Hello, students. I am finishing. Just. Who was Telsa? We all know that Edison has invented the bulb and electricity and all that. But he has invented a DC current, direct current. Hello? Hello, hello? Please listen. And there was a limitation of direct current that it can travel up to only 1 kilometer. But Telsa, this Edison was a scientist, but he was more than scientist, he was a businessman. So he has generated a lot of wealth by spreading his technology, by selling his technology by DC current. Then Edison, Telsa has invented one alternating current which can overcome this shortcoming of the DC current of traveling a longer distance. And it was affecting the business of the Edison. So what Edison has done, he has spread a news all over that AC current is very dangerous, and it is not this is because it was affecting his business. So what he done various things which are against the humanity. That one prisoner was to be hanged because of his crime. So he get permission to kill him by putting electric shock. So that prisoner was given 11 kV volt supply, and it was killed ruthlessly, and that was spread all over that how this electricity is dangerous, AC current is dangerous. That it was not sufficient. Then he bring the elephant in the market from the circus. He gave the electric current to the elephant, and that elephant was killed. And it was spread everywhere that AC current is very dangerous. But you know that when there is a truth and when there is a technology, it cannot be hidden. So afterward, you know that everywhere we see AC current. So you always see the video of Telsa. It is very inspiring video, and you will get good thing out of it. So lastly, I would like to thank you, Indira Gandhi Engineering College management, for giving us honor of this inauguration of this highly technical festival, and thank you very much.